Espresso, a small concentrated shot of coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground beans under high pressure. It originated in Italy and forms the base of many other coffee drinks. The result is bold, rich, and topped with a thin layer of crema, giving it a strong flavor that stands on its own. Latte, a milk-heavy coffee made with espresso and a large amount of steamed milk, finished with a light layer of foam. It has a soft, creamy taste that makes it one of the most approachable coffee drinks. The balance leans more toward milk than coffee, which reduces bitterness. Cappuccino, a balanced mix of espresso, steamed milk, and thick milk foam. Originating from Italy, it is known for its airy texture and strong coffee presence. Unlike a latte, the foam layer is thicker, giving it a lighter mouthfeel while still keeping a bold flavor. Flat white, a smooth coffee made with espresso and finely textured steamed milk, but with very little foam. It comes from Australia or New Zealand and is known for its velvety texture. The coffee flavor is stronger than a latte because it uses less milk. Macchiato, a shot of espresso marked with a small amount of milk or foam. The name means stained in Italian, referring to the touch of milk added to the espresso. It keeps the strong, sharp taste of espresso with just a slight softness. Ristretto, a shorter, more concentrated version of espresso made with less water. It has a richer and slightly sweeter taste because fewer bitter compounds are extracted. The result is intense but smoother than a standard espresso shot. Lungo, a longer espresso made by allowing more water to pass through the coffee grounds. This creates a larger drink with a more diluted but slightly more bitter flavor. It sits between espresso and Americano in strength and volume. Cold brew, coffee made by steeping coarse grounds in cold water for many hours, usually overnight. It produces a smooth, low-acidity drink that tastes naturally sweet. Unlike iced coffee, it is never exposed to heat during brewing. Iced coffee, hot brewed coffee that is cooled and served over ice. It keeps the original brewing method but offers a refreshing version for warm weather. The flavor can be sharper than cold brew due to the heat extraction process. Turkish coffee, a traditional method where very finely ground coffee is simmered in water, often with sugar, and served unfiltered. It has a thick texture with grounds settling at the bottom. The flavor is strong, intense, and deeply rooted in Middle Eastern culture. French press coffee, a full-bodied coffee made by steeping coarse grounds in hot water and then pressing them down with a metal filter. It allows natural oils to remain in the drink, giving it a richer and heavier taste compared to filtered coffee.